from Class 8 Math NCERT CBSE book. Today we will start exercise 14.1. Question number first. Find the common factor of the given terms. Okay, जो given terms है उन सारे terms में what we will have to do? We have to find out the common factor. Okay, what is the common factor in 12x and 36? These two terms in the question number 1, that is 12x and 36. Okay, in these two terms, what is the common factor? This we have to find out. Okay, so first question is 12x comma 36. Okay, now since 12x is equal to, what is the factor of 12? Actually x, variable x is alone, so we don't need to find out the factor of x because it is already alone. Okay, then what whom we have to find out, we have to factorize only 12. Okay, so for the 12, first we divide it by 2. 2 6 ja 12, again 2 3 ja 6, again 3 1 ja 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 is the factor of the 12. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into last x, we will write x also here in the product of this all things. Okay, x is also product of this all. Okay, and again we factorize the 36. Okay, 36, for 36 again you can do these things also. For the 36 I do by myself. Okay, 2 18 ja 36, again 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9. Okay, and no variable is here, so 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 will come. Okay, now we see that 2 is common in both. Again 2 is common in both. Again 3 is common in both. Okay, but x is not common in both terms, or 3 is not common in both terms because there was another 3 who has already in common, but for this 3 there is no common. Okay, so therefore find the common factor. Okay, so therefore common factor is equal to, ठीक है, 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 was the common factor in both, this 2 is also was the common factor in both, and this 3 is common factor of both. So 2 into 2 into 3 will take common factor of both. Okay, so 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12. Okay, this is our answer, 12. Next question is 2y 22xy. 2y is one term and 22xy is another term. Okay, or second term. So since 2y, if we will factorize the 2, what will come? 2 can be divided by only 1 or it can be divided by 2. That means 2 is the prime number. Other than 1 and 2, there is no factor of 2. Okay, so it is the prime number, so we will write down only 2 because 2 cannot be factorized. Okay, and only one y is here, y is alone here. Okay, so 2 into y I have written. Okay, and 22xy equal to 2 into 11. You can add 2 into 11. You can factorize it in 2 into as a 2 into 11. Okay, into here xy is also, this xy is the product with 22. Okay, so x into y. Okay, 2 into 11 into x into y. Now what is the common factor in both? 2 is the common factor, or 2 is common in both terms. Also 11 is not in both. Okay, x is not in both terms. Okay, but y is present in both terms, so y also be the common. Okay, therefore common factor will be 2 into y. 2 common factor, and y is also common in both terms. Okay, will equal to 2y. Okay, now the next question is 14pq and 28p square q square. Again we factorize the 14pq. Okay, so since 14pq is equal to 2 into 7, okay, we have to divide 14 by only prime numbers. Okay, we will not use the composite number, we will only use the prime numbers. Okay, so 2 into 7 into p into q. Okay, pq is also in the product of 14, so 2 into 7 into p into q we can write. Okay, now for the 28, again we will factor of 28. What will be the factor of 28? If we will divide by 2, this the value will be 14. Okay, then if we will divide 14 by 2 again, this will come 7. Now the last digit will be 7. Okay, and pq is also in product with 28. Okay, now 2 is the common in both term. Okay, 7 is also common in both term. Okay, p is also common in both term. Okay, and q is also common in both. Okay, now therefore common factor equal to, or common factor will be 2 into 7 into p into q, means 14pq will be the common factor of 14pq and 28p square q square. Oh, there's some mistake I have done. Okay, there's some mistake I have done. Again, 2 into 2 into 7 into P. We cut it. Okay, Q, I wrote it 2 into 7 into P into Q. Okay, now into P into Q into Q. Okay, because it have 28 P square Q square. Okay, so 2 times P means P into P and Q into Q is there. Okay, now 2 will be common, 7 will be common, P will be common. There is no other P, last Q is here, so Q will be common. Okay, answer will be same, 2 into 7 into P into Q, 14PQ. So 14PQ is the common factor in both. Okay, question number 3 complete. Now next question is 2x, 3x square and 4. Okay, here 3 terms are there. Okay, now for the 2x, since 2x is equal to 2 into x, because we cannot factorize the 2. Okay, and x is also alone. Okay, so we can write 2 into x, and 3x square is equal to 3 into x into x, because also for the 3 we cannot factor, there is no factor of 3, only 1 and itself is the factor of 3. Okay, other than 1 and itself there is no factor of 3. Actually it is a prime number. Okay, so 3 into x, and for 4 what will be the factor? It will be 2 into 2. Now we have seen that there is no common factor in these 3 terms. Okay, we will see for 2. Here 2 is here, but 2 is not in these terms. Okay, here 2 is present, but in this term 2 is not present. Okay, for the x we see that x is here, x also is here, but here not x. Then what will be the common factor? For that, this type of question we have to solve by another way. What we will write? We will write, since 2x is equal to 1 into 2 into x. We can write also here into 1 into 1 and into 1. We can write here, and then we can show these things by this line. Okay, but it will be better if you understand that there is no common factor in this all terms, then we start from here. Otherwise, if you don't understand, then you can write down by these things also. It is these have not any problem. Okay, so since 2x is equal to 1 into 2 into x, and 3x square is equal to 1 into 3 into x into x. Okay, and 4 is equal to 1 into 2 into 2. Now we can see that 1 is the common factor in all terms. Understand? This we have does only because when I factorize the separate terms, when I factorize the terms, we didn't find any common factor. Okay, since 1 is the factor of all numbers or all variables, so we can, if we have to find out the common factor, we can take 1 and we can show that therefore common factor will be 1. This will do only for that question where we did not find the common factor. Okay, so we can write down the 1 into 2 into x, 1 into 3 into x into x. That means we take the 1 as the common, because 1 is the common factor of all numbers. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 5. Now question number 5th. Okay, since 6abc is equal to, if we will divide 6 by 2, what will come? It will come 3. Okay, so 2 into 3 into a into b into c. Okay, a into b into c. It is very easy to factorize the x square, x3, abc, because it is already the product of shown. Okay, whatever the shown, x square, if x square, that means x into x, y square, that means y into y, abc into a means a into b into c. This is not problematic. Okay, now and 24ab square, you will divide 24 by 2, it will come 12. Again we can divide by 2, 2 will 6 come, then again divide by 2, 3 come, again 3. Okay, into a into b square means b into b. Okay, and 12a square b is equal to 2, 6, 2, 3 ja 6, 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12 into a into b will come. Okay, again we will make the group of these things. 2 is common. Okay, 3 is also common in all term. Okay, 3 is also common in all term. Okay, again a is common in all term. A is common in all term. Okay, b is also common. B is also common in all term. No, nothing is common. Okay, c is not common in all. Okay, and 2 into 3 into a and b, it is completed. That means common factor will be 2 into 3 is common, 3, a is common, a, b is common, b means 2 3 ja 6, ab. 6ab is common in these 3 terms. Okay. Now sixth question is 16x3 minus 4x square and 32x. Okay, if we will factorize the 16, what the value will come? 16 we can divide by 2. So 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x into x, because x cube is here. Okay, that means x into x into x. Okay, now minus 4x square. What will be the minus 4x square? That will be, since there is minus sign is here. Okay, minus sign is here. That means we have to separate the minus sign with the positive sign, so that we can easily take out the minus number, or we can remove this minus sign. Okay, so if we will write minus 1, then what will happen? Minus 1 into 4x square, we can write these things. Okay, minus 1 into, we can write minus 4x square as minus 1 into 4x square. Okay, minus 1 into 4x square, we can write down these things. Okay, these are same. Minus 4 square is equal to minus 1 into 4x square. Now we will separate this minus here and factorize the 4x square. What will be the value of 4x square? 2 into 2. Okay, and for the x square, x into x. Okay, this we directly separated with the all positive things. Okay, now 32x. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32 into x. Okay, now we have to see the common factor. What will be the common factor? This 2 is the common factor in all terms. Also, this 2 also is common in all terms. Okay, okay, now x, this x is common in all except this 3 number. There is no common. Okay, 2, this 2 not common. For this 2 there is no common. Okay, for x no another x. Here one x is also, but here not any x. Okay, so there is no common. For the common we have to see that variable or that number should be present in all terms. Okay, so there is no x in all terms. Extra x is not in all terms. So 2 into 2 into x will be the common factor. Therefore, common factor will be 2 into 2 into x is equal to 4x. Okay. Also here is not only one minus 1 is here, but here not minus 1, here is also not minus 1, so minus will also not come in the common factor. Okay, this will not come in the common factor. Okay, now the next question, 7th question is 10 PQ, 20 QR and 30 PR. Okay, now 10pq is equal to 2 into 5 into p into q. If we will factorize the 10, it will come 2 into 5. Okay, and for the pq, it is p into q. Okay, for the 20 qr, what will the value? 2 into 2. Okay, 10 2 is 5, 2 into 2 into 5 into q into r. Okay, and for 30 rp, what will be the value? 2 15 ja 30. Okay, 3 5 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, 2 ja 30 into r into p. Okay, therefore common factor will be these two will be the common factor because it is in all terms. Okay, 5 will also the common factor because 5 is also in all terms. Okay, this p here p, but here not p, so p is not in all terms. For the q here, but q not here, so q will also not the common factor. Okay, so common factor will be 2 into 5. This means 2 into 5 equal to 10 will be the common factor of 10pq, 20qr and 30rp. Next question is 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square and 6x square y square z. Then what will be the factor of 3x square y cube? Since here also you can write since and. Okay, since 3x square y cube will equal to 3 into x into x into y into y into y. Okay, and 10x cube y square will equal to 2 into 5. Okay, into x into x into x, because x cube is here and y square is here. Y square means y into y. Okay, and 6x square y square z is equal to 2 into 3 into x into x into y into y into z. Okay, 3 is not common in all, 3 is not here, so 3 is not common in all. X, now we will see x. X may be common in all. Okay, x is common in all. Okay, another x if you will see, then another x is also common in all terms. Okay, now y is also common in all terms. This y is also common in all terms. Okay, and also this y is also common in all terms. Okay, now what is the, therefore common factor will be x into x into y into y. Okay, x y y, this only common, means x square y square is common in all terms or these three terms. Okay, okay, complete. 14.1 question number 1 has completed. Okay, you are to subscribe my channel, you are to see my channel totally. Okay, comment and share to your friends. Okay friends.